Hey there, science buffs. Today we're diving into a topic that's been on the minds of many. Will an asteroid destroy Earth in 2038? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about this asteroid. It's called 2000 SG 344. Discovered in 2000, this space rock has been on our radar for quite some time. Now, you're probably wondering just how big is it? Well, it's around 50 meters in diameter. That's about half the size of a football field. But wait, there's more. In terms of square kilometers, 50 meters in diameter translates to roughly 0.002 square kilometers. So, it's not exactly a giant, but it could still pack quite a punch. Now the big question, will it hit us? According to NASA, the chances of 2000 SG 344 impacting Earth in 2038 are extremely low. We're talking about a probability of less than 1 in 500. That means you're more likely to win the lottery or get struck by lightning than to be hit by this asteroid. But let's not get too comfortable just yet. While the odds are low, it's important to understand the potential impact. If this asteroid were to collide with Earth, it would release energy equivalent to several megatons of TNT. To put that in perspective, it would be similar to a large nuclear explosion. Definitely not something we want to experience. So, what are scientists doing about it? NASA and other space agencies around the world are constantly monitoring near-Earth objects like 2000 SG 344. They use advanced telescopes and radar systems to track their orbits and predict potential impacts. In fact, NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office is dedicated to this very mission. And there's more good news. Technologies are being developed to deflect or even destroy potentially hazardous asteroids. One such concept is the kinetic impactor, which involves sending a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid and change its course. Another idea is the gravity tractor, where a spacecraft would fly alongside the asteroid, using its gravitational pull to alter the asteroid's trajectory. So, are we doomed in 2038? The answer is a resounding no. While the idea of an asteroid impact can be scary, the reality is that scientists are on top of it. They're working tirelessly to ensure our safety. And remember, the universe is a big place, but our planet is in good hands. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting science content. Until next time, stay curious.